Sophism for you, daily D8 physical. Fasting is important. It has innumerable health benefits. Giving your digestive system a break and allowing time for maintenance and servicing, much like maintaining a vehicle, is one way to look at it. But there's scientific evidence that shows that body cleanses out, throws out the toxins during a period of fasting. Ketosis, which is a process where the body breaks down the stored fat, gets accelerated during fasting. Fasting also promotes blood sugar control amongst a host of other health benefits.